Hello everyone. If you are running unactivated Windows, as I am and many others are, you will not be able to change your default headset or your default microphone. And the other way of doing this is going down to your taskbar and searching up Control Panel. You open that, and underneath Hardware and Sound, and next underneath Sound, you click Manage Audio Devices. And under playback, you'll be able to see the headsets you want to use. And if you click it, you can set it as default here. And for the microphone, you click the recording tab, and underneath it, you click whatever microphone you want to set to your default, and you just click set as default. You click OK. And if you go back to your settings, you will be able to see that your default headset and microphone are the ones that you just picked under Control Panel. I hope this helped. Have a nice day.